Gianna Schneider, the Executive Assistant here at Hoover CDC, located on Bear Street in sunny South Dallas.
Hi, my name is Ms. Saki Collins, and I'm a coordinator with the Dallas Leadership Foundation. This year for North Texas Giving Day, please consider the good works of both of our organizations, the Dallas Leadership Foundation and Hoover CDC.
For the past 25 years, we have worked together to bring essential programs and resources to South Dallas.
Together, we're able to do more amazing work. Help us make a difference on September 23rd, North Texas Giving Day.
Hi, I'm Sherry Mixon. I'm the Executive Director of TR Hoover Community Development Corporation, and we want to thank you for your generosity and support for September the 23rd, North Texas Giving Day.